We interrupt this program for an important message.
So let's talk about Boolean searches. Back in the 1800s, there was a mathematician prodigy named George Boole. This self-taught man developed Boolean algebra, which uses true-false statements and logic operators such as and, or, and not instead of addition, subtraction, and division. Boolean algebra is credited for laying the foundation for the information age because true-false logic was used to develop all modern electronic digital computers. Called the grandfather of the digital age, George Boole even has a crater on the moon named after him. Boolean searches use and, or, not, parentheses, and quotation marks. Let's look at what each of these words does to a search. And. We want to try a search using peanut butter and jelly, just as an example. Remember to always capitalize the word you're using as an operator, so the database search engine knows it's a search operator and not just another word to search for. Our database search engine is going to find all of the results for peanut butter and all of the results for jelly, and then it's going to modify the search based on our operator word, and return only the results that have both sets of words in them. Now let's look at the search if we use or, peanut butter or jelly. Again, the search engine is going to look for the results of both words, but this time it's going to return all the results. Not just the results they share, but also the individual results of both. So you will get significantly more results using or. You can think of or as more results. Now let's look at the search results using not, peanut butter, not jelly. Again, the search engine is going to look for the results for both words, but if you use not, it will return all the results for the first term minus the results for the term with not in front of it. This is useful if you're searching for something and you find that you're getting a lot of results that are not relevant. If your paper is just on peanut butter and you keep getting results about peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, you could use not jelly, and all the articles that mention jelly will not be included in your search results. Parentheses. Using parentheses is when you are really going to see the math in Boolean searching, because parentheses uses order of operation rules. Remember those? All you need to remember is that the formula inside parentheses is done first. So let's take a look at our search again. Now we are going to look for peanut butter and jelly, but we've heard some people refer to these sandwiches as peanut butter and jam sandwiches. So we want to add the word jam into our search. So let's add an or statement to our search. Or jam. Let me show you what happens with and without parentheses. If you do a search for peanut butter and jelly or jam, your search is going to process the request in order. So first it will calculate peanut butter and jelly when they are used together. Then it will add all of the results with jam, whether they have peanut butter in the results or jelly or not. Remember, or means more results. But you want the results they share. So here's another way to do that search. Put jelly or jam in parentheses. According to order of operations, the formula inside parentheses is calculated first. So it will add all of the results with jelly or jam first, then it will apply peanut butter to those results and return to you the results that have peanut butter and jelly and peanut butter and jam when used together. Quotation marks are very important to use with multi-word phrases. If you don't put multi-word phrases in quotation marks, you will get not only the results you want, but you will also get extraneous information where the words in your multi-word phrase appear separately. So a search of peanut butter and jelly without putting quotation marks around peanut butter will return the results you want, but also results with jelly and peanuts and jelly and butter. The search will not be as precise. And when you're dealing with millions of possible results, those extra few thousand may overwhelm you. But a simple change of putting quotation marks around multi-word phrases returns the results you want. Remember, the goal of using these operators in the first place is to find the fewest and most accurate results. And that was Boolean searching in a nutshell.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.